How to activate Vanilla gift card. So first, go to a search engine. In the search bar, type in Activate Vanilla Card. Now that you are here, right at the top, you'll see how you can activate it. So you have to copy this website and paste the URL in a new tab. In this page, you have to type in your card details like your card number, the expiration date, and your CVV number. Once you have completed that process, you can hit continue and your Vanilla gift card should be activated. Most times, Vanilla cards do not need activation. It's ready by the moment you receive it. But in some cases, if you're having a problem, you can come to this website and do what we just taught you, and you are good to go. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.